Hey guys, this is Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. My name is Kingsley, and it's a brand new week. It's a Monday, and over the weekend I was doing some research, and I something to show to you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to install the Xdefi wallet extension in your browser. So recently we heard about some users being stopped from accessing their funds in their wallets. Yeah, I'm talking about Metamask. Metamask actually restricted some users from certain jurisdiction access to their wallets. So I did some digging in and some research, and I came across this DeFi wallet that gives you access to your wallet from wherever you're coming from, be it the Avalanche blockchain, be it the Phantom blockchain, be it Ethereum, BNB chain. You could easily access all of your wallets, all of your NFTs, all of your tokens in one single wallet app. Crazy, right? It's not so crazy. I mean, I did some findings, and I'm going to be showing you how to install the Xdefi wallet in this video. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to install your Xdefi wallet. All right, we're going to be doing that by installing the Xdefi Chrome extension or browser extension. It could be on your Chrome browser, Brave browser, Mozilla Firefox, or whatever browser that enables you install extensions. You can easily do that. All right, so I'm going to be using for this video, I'm going to be using Yandex browser, this one here. So this is Yandex browser. Just so you get a grip of what I am doing, I have to go back again. On my address bar, I will type in Xdefi. All right, Xdefi, and hit go. I'll hit go, and this is Xdefi homepage. Just to set things rightly, make sure that you on your browser you are using the desktop version, because you're going to be installing Google Chrome extension browser. All right, so this is the homepage of Xdefi wallet. You can see it says the fastest wallet in DeFi, in decentralized finance. Heavy words they are using here. If you scroll down, this is a picture of an octopus, right? It says unleash the true power of the decentralized web. Get an edge with the #1 DeFi wallet. If you go further down, it says accelerate to the next block. Speed is alpha in DeFi. Of course, when you want to transact on decentralized finance dexes, you have to gain speed. Speed makes it very, very interesting for all those participating in DeFi. All right, it said keep ahead of the pack with the fastest wallet. Connect to the best of DeFi, interact with blockchain applications, and access everything the decentralized web has to offer. Power up with automation. Powerful automation works in the background so you can focus on what matters. Everyone wants to focus on the important things, right? You don't want to be going from here to there. Just focus on what matters to you and what brings in we're all here to make money from the space. So built for NFTs. I like this part of the Xdefi wallet, right? It says the wallet brilliantly displays NFTs from all chains in a single display, right? So this means if you have NFTs from different platforms, different protocols, different blockchains, say Avalanche, say Binance chain, say BNB chain, say Phantom, say Ethereum based NFTs, say Solana NFTs, you can view and access them from one single point, one display. That is very, very impressive, right? You don't have that anywhere. Metamask doesn't offer you that. Metamask, this Xdefi is one of the rivals of Metamask. Basically, to install Xdefi wallet, what you do on the top right or wherever you're watching or accessing the platform from, you click this download here, and it takes you to Chrome Web Store. All right, now what you simply do when you get on here is you're going to add this to Chrome. All right, so I'll click on this button, this blue button here, add to Chrome, and then it pops up a dialog box that says add Xdefi wallet right? So I'll click add extension, and then I'll wait for that to happen. So we are done. It has been added to Chrome extension. Now remember, I'm doing this from my mobile app using desktop view or desktop version. So if I go to my settings, I could, under extensions, I could easily go on and see that the Xdefi wallet has been added under my extensions. I'll click here and it will pop up. All right, so it says Xdefi wallet, welcome to Xdefi wallet, let's get you on board. Of course I want to get on board with the fast. Let's go, let's get started, and make sure that you are on the desktop view. All right, so this is what comes up when you click on let's go. So I have to click on I agree to the terms. Show you on the desktop view. All right, so I'm going to click on accept that I agree to the terms and conditions, and you have three options here. It says create Xdefi wallet, it says restore Xdefi wallet, and connect hardware wallet. Now the first option is if you are a first-time user, you have not installed a wallet on the Xdefi wallet, you're going to have to use that first option. And then the second option says restore your wallet. So if you installed your wallet from somewhere else, you can easily restore your wallet here with your secret phrase. All right, your 12-word secret phrase. And then if you have a hardware wallet, you want to connect to your Defi wallet to Defi wallet to view, send, store, and receive your crypto or coins on, you can connect your hardware wallet using this third option. So we're going to use the first option, which says create Xdefi wallet. All right, I'll hit this button, and then what pops up next? It says I'm going to have to create a password, just like every other wallet, right? You're going to create a password to access your wallet, to protect your wallet. Now I'll do that. It will require me to enter my seed phrase in this order. It says it's asking me for the first, second, third, and fourth words on those 12-word seed phrase. So write them in the order that they appeared in the last or previous screen. All right, so I'm going to do that. Right, and then it will ask you to enter a name, a memorable name for your wallet. Just give it any name you think is cool. All right, so when you are done and click on next, it displays this page. It says make Xdefi your default browser wallet. I don't want to do this. I have some very interesting, I use Metamask a lot, right? So I don't want to do this. I'll have to select and choose which wallet to connect with. So I'll click on next, and there you go. All right, on this page it says select chains to use with Xdefi. You can see it has many options that comes pre-installed with it, different wallets, so you just have to choose. All right, I'm going to add Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to add Binance Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to enable Litecoin, and I'm going to, okay, some of them are already enabled for you. Just add up the ones you want to add, and then continue. You see it has Ethereum, it has Polygon, it has Avalanche, it has Bitcoin, it has Tor chain, it has BNB chain now. All right, so I'll click on continue or complete, and there you go. You have this screen. You are greeted with this screen. You may now open the extension now, right? So my wallet has been installed. I'll go to extension and click on extensions, and then click on Xdefi, right? So when I do that, I don't have to start all the process again. It just gives me this message here, this pop-up. Make sure Xdefi is set as your default browser wallet if you want to use it to interact with web pages, blah blah blah. I know all of those. I don't want that, so I'll click close this. So this is Xdefi wallet. All right, this is it. So folks, there you have it. That is how to install the Xdefi wallet, the fastest wallet in all of decentralized finance. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to play around, how to send and receive tokens, how to store your tokens on Xdefi, how to interact with the wallet itself and the interface. All right, in this video we simply just installed a web browser installation or extension of the Xdefi wallet. All right, so see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, stay blessed. Now that we have the wallet extension installed in our browser, in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to use the browser extension of the wallet to receive, store, and then send your tokens from any blockchain. It could be Terra Luna, Avalanche, BNB chain, Ethereum, Phantom chain. You could literally send and receive tokens from one place, from one wallet, and the Xdefi wallet gives you that opportunity, that platform to transact from a single standpoint. All right, it's very straightforward. So in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to do all of those. In the meantime, please, if you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and share the video with your friends. Use the comment section to tell me what you would like me to do in the meantime. Probably in the next video I could look that up and then save that in the next video. All right, so see you guys until next time. Stay blessed.